Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Conversation. So in today's video, I want to talk about this new trading Discord server I just set up about 2 weeks ago. I want to talk about how you could potentially utilize this server to help you improve your skills, your education, your information about the stock market and investing. This is a very new Discord server, so there are still a lot of features that need to be implemented, a lot of improvements that need to be made, but I figured I'd take you guys through my server here so you guys can understand how you could potentially utilize it as it is right now. And so keep in mind, when you first join the server, you will not see any of these categories or channels on the left here. You'll only see one channel called the disclaimer channel. You do need to read through that disclaimer and agree to it by clicking on the green checkbox at the bottom of that channel. Once you do that, you should see these categories and channels. As of right now, again, categories and channels are always subject to change. So I'll put a link to the Discord in the description below. But let's get into this video and let's talk about how you could potentially utilize each one of these channels here. So again, on Discord, we have categories, and then under each category, we have channels. So let's go through these here. So the first category you should see right now is this welcome category. So again, if you expand this category, you should see all of the different channels under this category. So the first channel right now is called rules. These are the rules of the server. Please follow them. Very simple rules to follow here. So go ahead and read that when you first join the server. Second channel, this is a very important channel, scam prevention. There are a lot of users that join a server in an attempt to impersonate the admin of that server. They'll reach out to new users, pretend to be the admin of the server, and try to basically steal your money. So you need to be very careful with that. I will never send you a friend request, and I will never privately message you first. Here you can see an example of somebody that was pretending to be me. You can see here that the username, which is unique on Discord, you can see that their username has a misspelling here, right? So CONVR, right? It should be VER. So be very careful with that. Never send anybody money on Discord, in my opinion. Now let's go on to the next channel here, announcements. So this is where I'll post announcements like new videos that I have uploaded or very important market updates or news. So for example, today I posted this, right? CPI data comes out tomorrow. Here we can see JP Morgan's expectations of CPI and how the market might react. So here you'll get announcements, very straightforward channel. Next one, affiliate links. So this is just a list of affiliate links, right? If you want to sign up to Moomoo, Webull, Luxalgo, OptionStrat, TradingView, ChartPrime, or Robinhood. This is just a list of affiliate links. Next one, social media. Again, just a list of my other social media, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit. Support channel, have not set this up yet, but eventually I'll provide a way for you guys to be able to get support. Again, once more features are implemented, once there's more users in this server here. Invite link, so if you want to invite your friends, your family, somebody else to this Discord server, you can get the link very quickly right here. And then the chat room, this is just kind of the, everyday hangout chat room. Talk about anything you want here. Doesn't have to be stock related. Just, make sure you're not spamming or breaking any of the rules here. So that's the first category. Next category, membership. So right now, all of these resources are free. But if you wish to donate and support our vision, you can go ahead and do so here. This will help us implement more features or pay, what we currently are paying for some of the features that we have implemented so far. Next section, education section. So here I've kind of sorted it out by brokerage. So Robinhood, if you go to Robinhood, these are all going to be related to using the Robinhood platform. And they're all sorted out, which is really nice here, right? So if you want to learn more about the poor man's covered call, if you come in here, you'll find a quick link to it, right? You want to learn more about calendar spreads, they're here, right? Credit debit spreads, they're all here, they're all sorted out, they're all grouped together. if you want to learn how to roll your options trade on Robinhood, you can quickly find it here, right? It's going to be a lot easier than going through my channel and trying to find a specific video, right? Did the same thing with Webull. We have all of these sorted out. Moomoo, technical analysis as well. And then if this ever loads, right? And then general, just kind of everyday general concepts. You should know, theta decay, short squeeze, using a stock screener, IV crush, things like that. You'll find here. And then this, I haven't gotten to it, but I'll get to it here very soon. So this will be a list of useful websites you can use, for example, to track institutional trading, insider trading, how to track your wheel trades or other trades, things like that. So that's the education section. Then we go into the options zone section here. So of course we have an options chat, right? If you want to talk about options with other individuals, ask questions about options, you can do so here. Then we have this golden sweeps channel. So here we start to get into some of the bots that are implemented into the server right now. So golden sweeps are going to show us unusually large sweeps with premiums worth over $1 million. If you're not familiar with sweeps, that's something you should first familiarize yourself before using this information. Option sweeps are going to be high premium, large option sweeps. Dark pool trades, nothing's been posted here yet, but this will show unusually large dark pool and block trades. Bullseye trades. Bullseye trades actually is a bot that uses an AI signal tool that anticipates intraday movement in options contracts here. So that's what that is there. And then we have, of course, options flow. And finally, we have this options terminology channel. So this will, have terms that you should be familiar with when trading options. And of course, this list will continue to grow as we add more terms here. Really great place to go. If you hear somebody say something, you're not really sure what that means. Hopefully it will be posted in here. Next, we got the stock zone. So very similar to the option zone, right? We have the stocks chat room. We're going to talk about stocks. We have stock breakouts channel. So this is going to be a bot that basically finds potential stock breakouts happening in the market. So that's what that is. We have analyst upgrades and downgrades here. So updates on recent analyst upgrades and downgrades on stocks. And then this insider trading channel, so updates on some of the largest insider transactions. And then again, same thing for stocks. We'll have the stocks terminology channel. So again, if you hear somebody mention something regarding stocks, you're not sure what that means, hopefully this list has it. If not, feel free to share it so we can add it on here. And then again, same thing with crypto forex zone. So crypto forex chat, crypto breakouts, and crypto forex terminology. Then we have this hangout zone. So we have this share your trades channel. So this channel is really meant for other individuals to come in here and you can share your trades, whether it be, basically a profit or loss that you had on a trade, or basically what you're thinking of potentially trading, really just to share your trades with others and, share new ideas, or, anything like that. Then we have this memes channel. So a place to post any memes you might have. We also have this polls channel. So here's where we post any polls moving forward here. And so that's what this hangout zone section is. Then we get into the trading bot section. So I think this is one of the most useful sections here on the server. So there is a tutorial channel here, basically, tells you how you can use this, but I'll go ahead and show you guys a demonstration here. So we have 3 different bots here. They have some similar commands, but they also have very different commands as well. So the OpenBB bot, for example, what we want to do here with these 3 channels here is we want to use slash commands. So basically you type in a slash here, and you'll see on the left here, right, that the OpenBB bot is available here. So we can click on this. This is going to show us all the available commands we have for this bot, this OpenBB bot right now, because that's the channel we're on. So one potential command, let's say we want a daily chart for Tesla, right? And these all tell you what they do here, so it's not going to be very difficult to use, but eventually you'll start to memorize these commands. So if we want a daily chart for Tesla, for example, we can do so very quickly using this bot. So we would do CD here, and then notice it shows up here, so it shows a daily candlestick chart for the ticker coin provided. So we click on it, then we just type in the ticker symbol, which is Tesla here. And then we press enter here, and then eventually here, after a couple of seconds, this is going to give us a daily chart for Tesla very quickly here. So here's our daily chart for Tesla. And what do we see here? We get simple moving averages with it. We get Bollinger Bands. We get the RSI. We get MACD, right? We get volume here. We get the chart here. So very quickly, this is just one of many commands this particular bot has. And again, we have 3 different bots here. So same thing with the stock bot, right? We use slash command. So we type in slash. Stock bot's available here. We click on it. Here are all the available commands we can use here. And so we can go ahead and, for example, here we can use the news command. So we can get news about general stocks. Now, if I click on it, there's 3 different options to use here. You can use keywords, source, or max results. So let's say I want news about a particular stock. I can do keywords here. And I can type in, for example, Microsoft. Let's say I want to see what news is out there right now for Microsoft. So I go ahead and I enter. And then this command should return a list of different news that, hopefully have Microsoft as the keyword in them. So you can see here, released 37 minutes ago by Reuters, Microsoft clinched deal, Globe Newswire, the rise of visual cloud market, CNBC, biggest analyst calls. Barron's, Microsoft leaves OpenAI board. Right, so you can see here, this is how we can use this. And again, this has many commands. And then finally, we have the unusual Whales bot command. So same thing, slash command. Here's the bot available. We can click on it. We can do something, for example, like company, return information on the ticker symbol. Right, so you can do, for example, Meta here. Enter here. And so as you can see here, it gives us information about this company. What is the market cap? What sector is it in? When is its next earnings report? And then a description of the company, right? And again, it's one of many commands this bot has. This does have limited amount of commands you can use though. So you can see you can use 3 more commands. Free commands will be reset in 13 hours. So it gets reset every few hours, right? So just keep that in mind with that one. Then we have this market data section. So here I'll just post the earnings calendar for the upcoming week. So if you're ever wondering what companies have earnings coming up the following week, you can find it here. Same thing with economic calendar here. So if we take a look here, right, what's going on tomorrow? Like we mentioned, Thursday, July 11th, we have CPI, initial jobless claims, and you can see what time it's going to be at, median forecast, previous results, things like that. So that's the economic calendar channel. Finally, we have the market news channel. So, basically just market news here. You can kind of see different things happening here. And then finally, we have a voice channel. So if you ever want to get into a live discussion with other users on here, you can go ahead and use that channel there. So anyways, that's the Tech Conversations Discord server I just set up. Again, very early stages, still a lot of work that needs to be done, but that's how you could potentially utilize this channel as it is right now. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Again, check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.